gay.
So this is what we do when we're bored at Target. That's Caleb, my little brother, and that's Gary, my fiance. Ew.
Let's do a tap dance now.
Right. So we're gonna go over here and look at clothes, because that's what we do. Yeah. Do my luggages. There's clothes. Don't know. Where are those boys? Button. Okay, this is not even right. They are putting on a fashion show for me. That's how gay my brother is.
How dare you?
Or what, are you gonna smack me with your purse? That's a scarf.
Hey, it's a manly scarf.
Okay.
Okay, I'm done.
Go put that stuff back. Yeah, they're not retarded.